Sorry ass DJ. You can get some.
Hey, take a shot. Hey.
So it's actually good. So we will try it. Turn it on. So I have to get me my other phone. Moment. So, so guys, let's see if it will works. Bluetooth on. And turn it on. JBL. Pair. It's connected. So, you see. Ang cute ng sounds. Ang cute ng sound. Yeah, so it works. So it actually works. It is really good. So, ayan, nakakonect na ulit siya. Ang cute. Ang cute. Wow, it works. And so, ayan. So, heto na siya. Yung manual niya, na hindi ko naman binabasa. Never ako nagbasa ng manual. So, ayan. So, itatabi ko lang siya. Then, thank you for watching for my another unboxing. Mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. Sa ating mga member. Mega love shoutout. Ma'am Rose Ornejo, Rosa Ornejo. Pamilya Stotsinga. Dudes 80 number 30. Ruby Julie Official, mega love shout out sa inyo. At syempre, sa ating bagong member, Miss Marlene Kang, thank you. Well appreciated yung pagpapamember mo. And syempre, sa ating walang sawang sumusuporta ng mga ka-warriors, Key International, sa ating bagong mga kaibigan, mega love shoutout sa inyo. SYS family, thank you. Team Besh, thank you. Pasensya na, medyo hindi ako maka-join lately, sobrang busy. And syempre, ang ating moving up team, Warriors. Sino pa ba? Team moving up, Warriors. Kayo lang naman yung GC ko. Syempre, may pasasalamat sa lahat ng tumutulong at sumusuporta sa atin. Mega love. Thank you to all. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Mendorenia in Austria. Bye.
Hi. Take a shot. So, unahin natin to. Of course. I have a bag. Another bag. It's another bag. Dun, dun, dun. There you go, guys. It's just another bag. I have another bag. Ta-da! And what we put in this bag? Of course, what we put in this bag is this. We have this. Can you see it? Yeah. And what else in the bag? What else in the bag? Trash. I can use this to fire my wood. That also for firewood. 4 on ears overheads. So, and ta-da! This is what I got. And this is special because it's a gift from my son on Mother's Day. It's a little bit late. So because he was in a quarantine that time, so we have no time and no chance to go out to buy me a gift. So he just was so sweet. He was just so sweet and sent me money to buy the gift for me. And of course, I told him that I already ordered this, and he was so happy because he know the money that he gave me is for this gift. So he is really happy about it, and of course we will try it. So let's try it. I just make it broken when you don't have to, but it doesn't matter because we're gonna use it anyway. So I will use it anyway. Yeah, so ayan. I have fingernails, but I don't know how to use it. I don't open it. Come on, get out. So, alam nyo na hindi ako mahilig sa material na bagay kasi hindi ako magaling mag-open. Hindi ako magaling mag-unboxing. Kasi hindi naman kasi ako mahilig sa mga unboxing na yan. Nag-unbox lang ako lately kasi tamad akong mag-video sa labas. Come on, get out. I could have just get me a scissor there. Alam mo yung katabi mo naman pala yung scissors. Tapos ayaw mo lang kunin kasi tamad mode. Tamo, ultimo mag-scissor, hindi marunong. Ay. Okay, let's get it. So, wala siyang paper for was pure bass sound. Sun JBL Pure Bass, hands-free calls, pills means libres, okay. Multi-point connection, lightweight and foldable design. So let's open it. This is the first item with the name on for myself. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, cool. So you can connect it with charger, of course. We have the charger there. And I don't know what's that 2 points in there, but it does. That must be the Bluetooth. Hello, hello to the world. So, ayan siya. O, diba? So, pwede ko na siyang gamitin anytime. Tadam! Hello again. Hello, hello, hello. Mindorenia in Austria, of course. So, we close the window a little bit. There you go. Kasi masyadong maliwanag. Yan. Now is medyo madilim naman. So, today is another day. And my order have just arrived. Da-da-dan, da-da-dan. What's in the box? What's in the box? So, let's see what's in the box. I have to open it like this. So, this just arrived, guys. I have few orders, but I don't know which is which. Which one have arrived first. Sometimes the post is missing, as you know. So, ayan siya. Yeah. Wow. I know what it is. It's 2 items inside. Tadam!